Adrim 50 mg. Detailed information. Adrim 50 mg is an anti-cancer medication containing the active ingredient Adriamycin doxorubicin. It is used to treat a variety of cancers, including breast cancer, lung cancer, leukemia, ovarian cancer, and stomach cancer. Adrim 50 mg. Detailed information on effects, dosage, and side effects. Adrim 50 mg is an anti-cancer medication containing the active ingredient Adriamycin doxorubicin. It is used to treat a variety of cancers, including breast cancer, lung cancer, leukemia, ovarian cancer, and stomach cancer. Adrim 50 mg. Detailed information on effects, dosage, and side effects. Please note Adrim 50 mg should only be used as directed by a physician and strictly following the instructions for use. 1. Administration. Adrim 50 mg is typically administered intravenously. 4. Dosage and frequency will be determined by your physician based on your individual condition, age, and overall health. 2. Dosage and treatment duration. Dosage. The dosage of Adrim 50 mg is calculated based on body surface area m2. The average dose is 6075 mg m2. Treatment duration. Treatment typically lasts from several weeks to several months, depending on the type of cancer and the patient's response to the medication. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Adrim 50 mg can cause a variety of side effects, though not everyone experiences them. Some of the most common side effects include skin, increased pigmentation of the nail bed and increased skin wrinkling, nail loosening, onycholysis, rash, itching, or sensitivity to light. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Increased pigmentation of the nail bed and increased skin wrinkling, nail loosening, onycholysis, rash, itching, or sensitivity to light. Gastrointestinal, severe nausea and vomiting, ulceration and necrosis of the colon, particularly the cecum. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Loss of appetite, abdominal pain, dehydration, diarrhea, increased pigmentation of the oral mucosa, severe nausea and vomiting, ulceration and necrosis of the colon, particularly the cecum, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, dehydration. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Diarrhea, increased pigmentation of the oral mucosa, hematologic, fever, chills, hives, decreased white blood cell count, decreased platelet count, anemia. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Fever, chills, hives, decreased white blood cell count, decreased platelet count, anemia. Neurological, peripheral neuropathy, manifested as localized sensory and/or motor disturbances, seizures, coma. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Peripheral neuropathy, manifested as localized sensory and/or motor disturbances, seizures, coma. Ocular, conjunctivitis, keratitis, tearing, conjunctivitis, keratitis. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Tearing, cardiovascular, heart failure, cardiac arrhythmias, myocarditis, heart failure. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Cardiac arrhythmias, myocarditis, increased pigmentation of the nail bed and increased skin wrinkling, nail loosening, onycholysis, rash, itching, or sensitivity to light, severe nausea and vomiting. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Ulceration and necrosis of the colon, particularly the cecum, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, dehydration, diarrhea, increased pigmentation of the oral mucosa, fever, chills, hives. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Decreased white blood cell count, decreased platelet count, anemia. Peripheral neuropathy, manifested as localized sensory and/or motor disturbances, seizures, coma. Conjunctivitis, keratitis, tearing, heart failure. 3. Side effects of Adrim 50 mg. Cardiac arrhythmias, myocarditis, Myelosuppression should be anticipated within a minimum of 10 to 14 days following the initiation of treatment. The maximum cumulative dose in children is 400 mg/2. Liver dysfunction, elevated liver enzymes, jaundice, liver failure. 3 side effects of Adrim 50 mg: kidney dysfunction, kidney failure, pulmonary edema, shortness of breath, coughing, swelling. Please note: if you experience any side effects, inform your doctor immediately. Do not alter the dosage or discontinue Adrim 50 mg without your physician's consent. For drug interactions, Adrim 50 mg can interact with several other medications. Inform your doctor about all medications you are taking, including prescription drugs, over-the-counter drugs, vitamins, herbal supplements, and dietary supplements. 5 precautions. Obese patients: a reduced initial dose or extended dosing cycles should be considered in obese patients. Pregnancy and lactation: Adrim 50 mg can be harmful to a developing fetus and newborn infants. Do not use Adrim 50 mg if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. 5 precautions. Driving and operating machinery: Adrim 50 mg can cause dizziness or drowsiness. Exercise caution when driving or operating machinery. 6 storage: store Adrim 50 mg at room temperature in a dry place away from direct sunlight. Keep Adrim 50 mg out of reach of children. 7 additional information: Adrim 50 mg is a potent drug that can cause serious side effects. Always use the medication as directed by your physician and inform them of any side effects you experience. Maintain regular communication with your doctor to monitor your treatment progress and undergo routine health checkups. 7 additional information: please remember, this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your physician before starting any new medication.